If you want to take your renders to the next level or increase the functionality available to you, you need SOLIDWORKS Visualize Professional. Going much further than Visualize Standard, Visualize Professional adds in extra features like creating rendered animations. Let's take a look at how easy it is to create a rendered exploded animation. With the timeline enabled, groups are selected and keyframed to define their start and end positions. Going through this process of keyframing multiple parts and groups is made easier by adding them to folders using the group option. The animation ribbon can also be color-coded, making it easy to find and reposition these keyframes into the perfect position. Cameras can add extra realism to both static images and animations. Here, the first camera is all set to a nice wide-angle perspective and is keyframed into the timeline. A single camera can capture the action, but multiple cameras really bring a professional touch. SOLIDWORKS Visualize Professional makes it easy to repeat the process of introducing additional cameras and keyframes to your animations with just a few clicks. By creating a group in the timeline, we can keyframe to which camera we'd like active and when, skipping the need to create additional edits in third-party software. There are times when a photorealistic rendering isn't the right visual language to communicate a concept. In Visualize Professional, you can take advantage of the Toon camera filter, which is perfect for giving an artistic, conceptual sketch look to your design. You'll notice a handful of preset effects like white on black, black on white, and a few others that are accessible through a drop-down list. Ambient occlusion gives a great shaded effect, and with the ability to modify shading styles and line colours, the options are endless. SOLIDWORKS Visualize Professional adds in an integrated physics engine. This is a great way of interacting with components that makes it simple to quickly randomise or drop components into place for a more realistic look. If we drag this component and then press play on the simulation manager, we can get an idea of how this works. But for a better example, we can use more of these coffee pods. A simple copy and paste and we have copied the components. No need to return to SOLIDWORKS to get this done. With all of the duplicates created, we can now use the physics engine to quickly randomise the location of these coffee pods by simply pressing play. That's not all. We can create custom lights and add in video decals and more. SOLIDWORKS Visualize Professional simplifies the process of rendering for every user. Creating world-class sales and marketing collateral like we see here has never been easier. To find out more, get in contact with SolidX today.